I'm Travis, Director of Capital Building Contractors. Before partnering with Market Hub, we were lacking in engagement from the clients. Recently, we've noticed that engagement is increased after the social media campaign we've been on. After interviewing different people to do our marketing, we settled with Market Hub as we were just comfortable with their approach and the communication we got was first class. The experience working with Market Hub to date has been very good. They're helping us explore avenues we wouldn't normally do, including filming and advertising and pushing the boundaries of the advertising on the social media aspect that we weren't doing a lot of. The communication Market Hub is top notch. They're always the ones who are poking us for more answers, and if we could give them more, they would. We're finding it's exactly what we're after and an incentive for us to continue with the advertising. There was a couple actually. We did a little meme of a Jurassic Park with a caption in that got a few likes, and that was a nice one. I do think Market Hub have a way of presenting the projects we do in a nice light, which helps with the advertising. Since engaging Market Hub, I have really noticed a different level of engagement from the customers when they're ringing. They're actually ringing the phones more, speaking to people in the office and communicating with what we do. Beforehand, there was a lot more Google requests sent through and a lot more internet emails through, but I am noticing the engagement from the customers coming to us is more personal, which is perfect. The customers have responded really well with the new marketing we're doing. We do get a lot of comments, and I'm noticing that when people actually come to the office and meet with us, they've already know the face because they've seen it on the social media, which is reassuring for them and us as well. Beforehand, it was a bit of a cold start. It takes a while to get people on site, but now having engagement beforehand, it's a lot smoother transition through the process. If you're looking at a marketing solutions company, I do think Market Hub has been great for us and good for you. They have a way of encouraging you to do advertising that you probably wouldn't think of, which does pay off in the long run. Okay, so far, after engaging with Market Hub, I've seen a great benefit in the leads we're getting. The people who are ringing are more engaged, they're more informed of what we do, and the conversations we're having are better off from the start, which leads to better jobs moving them forward. I do think that the marketing we're doing is giving us the right clientele to suit our needs.